everyone, it's Meg from 12inkypawprints.blogspot.com, and I'm back again today to share with you a preview of the Club La La Land Crafts May 2018 Club Kit. So if you are a subscriber, you know what this gold envelope means. It means that your Club Kit treasure has arrived at your door. If you're not a subscriber, hopefully you'll be interested in what you see in this video. I'll have a subscription link below if you'd like more information about subscribing. But let's get right down to it, and I'll show you what the goodies are in this month. So in your kit, you'll receive a product guide that tells you all about your products and the products. So look at this. This kit is all about gnomes. Aren't they the most absolute adorable things you've ever seen? Look at those gnomies, the sweet gnomies and the No Mercy stamps. Oh, they're just so awesome. I love them. I love the sentiments too. They just crack me up. For my best gnomie, you know me so well. Thank you muchly. Hello. Oh, gnome you don't. Gnome, sweet gnome, and gnome is where the heart is. Aren't those awesome? And here are our dies below. The stump and twig, which are actually two separate dies. The grass and mushrooms border, and the Fairyland house. The value of the kit. This kit value is $72.99, and if you're not a Club's kit subscriber at this time, the kit runs $39.99, so about $40 for both stamps and dies. And if you're interested in only the stamps or only the dies, the subscription link I give you below in the comment section, you can look at the different packages for that, because you could order those separately if you would like. So for this kit, I'm going to show you quickly. I'm going to get into showing you each of these dies before I go into really unboxing much else. So this is how the grass and mushrooms border die cuts. Isn't it super sweet? I love it. You can do so much with this, and you'll see that when I start to show you the products and my projects. Here is the stump. Look at all that detail. Here's the twig. This is my personal favorite die, because you can make these berries, flowers. Oh, it just looks so gorgeous. So if you haven't been on the fan club page yet today, you might want to go on there and see all the great projects that the other design team members have to share with you, because those berries, man, they're just stunner. They're a stunner on project. And here's our little Fairyland house, little mushroom house. Isn't it adorable? So that's how each of the dies cut. Let's open up our package and see what we got. Here are the dies themselves. Grass and mushroom border, Fairyland house. The stump, and here is the twig, and here are our stamps. Yours are going to come with a sheet backing on the back that you can take off when you're ready to stamp. I've already used these, so my backing's off. Once again, it's like the La La Land Crafts deep etched red rubber that you see in all the other stamps that they produce. This one, I cut one of these little guys out, one of the little sentiments, but look at those gnomies. I love these guys. They are just so mischievous to me. They kind of like chuckle. Don't you think they chuckle? I think they're awesome. And you know what I just discovered that I probably should have figured out long ago? That after you remove the backing, you can just stick your stamps right back onto the thank you card that Irina puts in the package, because it's kind of like a laminated cardboard or laminated board. And so that serves as, look, it just serves as a backing for your stamps, so that you could actually keep all your stamps and dies in the original packaging if you would like. So there's no terms to the club. If you would like to subscribe for a month and see how it goes, that's fine, but I guarantee you won't want to cancel your subscription after a month. Here is one of the first projects I made with this. I made a sidestep card because I thought that the grass and the mushrooms were going to go perfectly with this. I mean, isn't that awesome? Just isn't it awesome the way these little twigs look? Those dies are just, man, they really outdid themselves this month in producing these stamps and dies, don't you think? And there's my little gnomie with his lamp lighting the way to his home. The stump. I think the detail is just great for you adding your extra texture with the markers or the pencils. And here's my grass with the mushrooms. I added quite a few mushrooms and I love them. There's my Fairyland house. I added some Nuvo drops on top there to give it some texture. So that's my first project. I can't quite remember right now if I mentioned that that you will receive each month that you subscribe as part of the club 8 tutorials from each of us design team members. So 1 tutorial from each design team member about a project that we showcase that month. This is something that's a new feature of the Club La La Land Crafts kits. So that's something that's super fun. It's really like, I mean, 8 free PDF tutorials per month, plus all the stamps and dies for a value of $39.99. I just think that's amazing. And I think like I said before, the retail value for the kit this month is $72.99. So that's over a 40% off savings. Man, it's hard to find that even with clearance stamps. So this is really a pretty awesome deal. And nobody's going to be able to buy these stamps or dies for the next 6 months to a year. They're exclusive to club members. I think that's a pretty awesome perk. This is my favorite project that I made with this club kit. I really love it. I love making the little berries to look like vines. I love the little gnome popping out to say hi from his home. I love Marcy. Just love, love, love this gnome Marcy. I used some of our existing background stamps for this project also. So those are my projects that I wanted to share with you and my introduction to this month's club kit. I hope you are as excited as I am about the contents and that you do awesome stuff with it. If you're on the fence about subscribing to the La La Land Crafts club kits, definitely consider it this month. Consider this being your month to put in your subscription because you will not be disappointed. Never, ever, ever have I been disappointed in this club kit. It is so awesome. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.